What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So guys, I'm out here in the streets and I decided to go to Payless. I want to check out some shoes, so I'm gonna browse Payless today and see what they have in there. Here.
I think I'm thinking straight.
Me and my daughter out.
It's been 12 days. I think I'm thinking straight.
So this is a nice blue and green shoes. Looks nice for my son. Looks nice. Yeah, I like that one. This one is a white one. That white is nice. I was checking for shoes for me, my daughter, and my son. That one is looking nice also. So guys, there was music playing in the store, so I have to do a voiceover for this one. You know, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I cannot use the background music in the store. This pink and grey one was looking good. You can go exercise in that one. And I was liking that black one for my son also. Looks nice, yes. Not look bad at all. This is a cute little tie and dye one. The colors are cute on there. Blue, pink, white, like little lavender, purplish. It's cute, yeah. I'm liking that. So this side is for the younger kids right round there. Yeah. Now look at this. I was loving these slippers. I've seen people wearing that before, but that one was just so small and neat. It was so cute. I was so loving that. Look how cute it is. I was loving that, definitely. I was wondering what occasion could I wear that for? That was a cute slippers right there. This was a nice red heels as well. It was looking nice as well. I was liking that one too. So I have one of these black shoes already. Exact same thing. Yeah, I wear it to church. This sky blue one was looking nice. I have a dress that it would match nicely with. So I was really looking at it. So I was just browsing the same side again, the side that I went first. I was just browsing that side again because that side was the side that I saw some shoes that I would definitely come back and get. This one is a nice multicolored one, lavender, white, yellow, pink. It was cute. I was liking that. So this is another white one with straps. That one was looking good for my son. It was white, so I was thinking, no, 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 I don't think I will buy that one for him. But I like that one as well. So over this side they had some accessories, glasses, some bags. This was a nice cute pink purse. I like that. That was like for 4,000 something, and they had some printed ones as well. Yeah, nice goodies over here. So out of all of the shoes that I saw in the store, this one was my favorite. This one was nice. It had some tiger prints, white and silver with the pink. I was so loving that one. It was so neat on her foot, guys. Look at it. So neat on her foot. This one was a bright orange one. She liked that one, but it was too shocking for my taste. It was cute on her foot as well, but too bright.
Face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
So I was just browsing that side again, checking out the prices again for all those bags. And it was time to go. See, I'm leaving out the people them store with no bags in my hands, guys. But I will definitely return for some of those shoes one for my daughter, one for my son. I did not see any that I like for myself.